In today's video, I'll teach you how to create group chat on Discord. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Discord application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar. Now type in discord.com, press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Discord. What you have to do is click on this option, open Discord, that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. If you haven't logged into your account, you'll be able to see the option for login instead. Click on it and log in to your account. Now once you do that, you can see over here the Discord will be opened. You'll be able to see your channel over here. So if you want to create the group chat, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to see the direct messages section. So what you have to do is click on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to create the DM. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to see all of your friends over here. If you do not find the friends that you want to add to the group chat, you can also simply click on the search bar and type in the username. You can add up to 9 friends while creating the group chat. So what you have to do is simply click on the friends that you would like to add to the group chat. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter the group name. Click on the field of group name. Now what you have to do is enter the group name over here, or it can also be option, or you can also skip it. Now after you do, you can also upload the group photo if you want. Now after you do all that, click on this option, create group DM, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the group DM will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the group chat. So that is how you create group chat on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.